Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be unboxing this special box here. Now, if you don't know, I'm collecting Guinness World Record books. I've got the 2022 one and the 2023 one and the 1982 one. And now I've got the ones from 2014 to 2021 in this box. So, I'm going to open it. Oh god. So opening. Oh, exciting stuff. Okay. Now I need to open it onto you. Can't tear that. Oh my goodness me. It is a nightmare, this. Can I... Come on. Alright. But it's a yeah, I think. Right, I just need to cut this bit of tape here. Here they are. Oh my goodness. Can you get a glance of it, guys? Can you get a glance of them in there? This is amazing, guys. Right. I'm, I'm awfully excited. This is amazing. I'm going to tear this. Can I get my scissors? Can I get the scissors? Do you think the scissors can cut through cardboard? Nope. I don't think they can. Oh, I need to get the scissors on my fingers. Right. Here we are. Oh my God. Can you see them all, guys? Can you see them in there? Right. Open it up. There's this stuff. What is it? Peppa Pig wrapper. And oh my goodness. Here we are. Right. Are we ready? I'm gonna pull it out the box one by one. We've got Guinness World Records 2017. We've got Guinness World Records 2016. We've got Guinness World Records 2015. We've got the oldest one here. Not the oldest one in my collection, but the oldest one here. Guinness World Records 2014. They're all in really good quality as well. They're even better quality than my own. And then Guinness World Records 2021. Oh, my balloon. My birthday balloon's getting in my way, guys. Move that to the side. Guinness World Records 2020. I quite like this design. It's like electronic. Guinness. Oh my gosh, I need to put my camera. I'm overwhelmed. Guinness World Records 2019. And then the final one, you guessed it, Guinness World Records 2018. Okay. That is absolutely insane. And then the box is empty. There it is. Okay, I'll tidy all this stuff. Show it into the box. Now, I think it'd be rude if I didn't put them all in the right order, because they weren't in the right order in the box, and get my other ones. So I'm just gonna go and get my new other ones one second. Oh, I've got them. I've got them, guys. Right. We've got 2022, 1982, and 2023. So let's get them in order. I'm going to point my camera. Oh gosh. Oh, hang on. Let me get directed to my pile of Guinness World Record books. 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023, and then 1982 as well, but I'm not going to put that in the pile. I can't even lift my Guinness World Record. Oh. Okay, that's the one and the 1982 ones there. But there's also one more final thing. Apparently, if you get the Guinness World Record books 2023, open it up. Guinness World Records 2022, open it up. They're meant to make a picture, but don't make a picture because you need 2021. If you open that up, they join together a bit. It's weird, but they do kind of join. Like, not every single person that's here joins, but there it is. There's a picture. You can't see it, can you guys? It's a bit irrelevant, you can't see it. What am I saying? Oh! There's the picture! Whoa, guys! On the camera that looks really good. In real life, the people don't line up, so it isn't that good. Well, it isn't as good as I thought it would be. But it is still absolutely unreal. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And hopefully I'll be getting more Guinness World Record books to unbox. So, see you in the next video. Bye!